Would you like to learn Montessori from the comfort of your home and earn a Montessori teaching diploma? Montessori is a teaching methodology that is popular worldwide today. More parents are implementing Montessori at home, and many preschools and educational institutions are adopting this method as well. My name is Soni Vasandani, and I am the founder and CEO of Sunshine Teachers Training. We have been providing quality early childhood Montessori education and training since 2005, helping parents and teachers to make a difference in how they teach children. Today, we have learners from nearly 30 different countries learning with us. Our Early Childhood Montessori Diploma course is conducted 100% online. When you enroll with us, you will have access to nearly 300 video presentations that will take you through learning Montessori step by step. You will also be able to download colorful learning manuals with illustrations and complete lesson plans that are yours to keep for life. You will learn at your own pace, and you will be able to implement Montessori with your children as you learn. With us, you will learn Montessori step by step through video presentations and online synchronous sessions. Upon completing your Montessori diploma, you will be able to implement Montessori with a confidence of being fully certified. We aim at student success. To support your learning journey, you will be assigned a private tutor to guide and stay connected with you. In this Montessori diploma, you will learn about the philosophy of Montessori, the 5 learning areas of Montessori in details, and other additional modules that will help you professionally. You will learn to observe children, plan their individual and group curriculum, and guide children in their early years to reach their maximum potential. You will learn to create materials and present them to children to help their growth and development. Upon completing your online Montessori diploma, you will be a qualified Montessori directress or Montessori guide. Our goal is to transform how parents and teachers educate children in their early years through the Montessori method. Our graduates worldwide are already teaching and making a difference in children's education.
Train us of the step-by-step procedure.
It's one of the ways you can probably establish your way of thinking and everything you could have for teaching your children.
It's not only like a school curriculum, but it's more like a way of life.
Highly recommended here at Sunshine Teachers Training.
If you would like to learn more about our online Montessori diploma, feel free to contact us and we will help you get started immediately. We look forward to sharing the best of Montessori with you.